Hey everyone, it's Jen, Canadian traveler. I've rented an e-bike and I'm pedaling down the Antionio River walk down the Mission Reach stretch. And it's a lovely 30-degree day here in Texas, and I'm about to imbibe some history and culture as it relates to the missions of San Antonio. So come along. Here you see the very pretty facade of Mission Concepción. You would have seen a wall around it, within which mission life would have thrived, would have looked like indigenous peoples converting to Catholicism, picking up trades, Franciscan friars, and around the outside perimeter you would have found farmland. So these missions really were communities that were self-sufficient. All right, I'm just wrapping up my bike ride of Mission Reach, and I just wanted to note that I'm using Swell Cycle, which is a public bike share program. It was super easy. I just downloaded the app. You rent, ride, return, repeat. Quite frankly, I think it's the best way to explore Mission Reach, which is 8 miles top to bottom. So just let the e-bike do all the work as you feel the wind in your face.